T30 to remove the bolt that holds the rotor. All right, I do not have a punch, so we're gonna go with the nail. Now, would I recommend it? No. Again, this is how I do it because I don't want to waste time looking for it. But so to punch it out. So, and I got the other one. 21. I think this is 133,000 miles. I never replaced them before, but they're really overdue, pretty crusty. So brake pads were already gone. So all right, we're gonna do the same thing, clean this up and prep it for the new rotor. Yeah, nice. All right, after pushing the pistons back in, we just gotta install a back on, so I should put the brake pads now. All right, stick one in, this one, and this another one. And that's it. Okay, now we just got to do the other side. All right, let's get going. I'm gonna replace the cabin air filter, part of the 133,000 mile service since I don't remember the last time I did it. I don't think I ever done it, so we're gonna check it out. I believe it's a T27. 325. There you go. Oops. Comes down. Oops. That's not good. Let's see. Alright, disconnect it. Alright, comes out. Ow! Comes right out. There you go. And slides down. There you go. And then comes off. I got a frame. Got a deal on this filter. I got it for like $6. It's in clearance. So, say why not? You know? Obviously it's not. Alright, after a few minutes, the way it fits properly is just slide it in with the cap and then slide it to the right, and then it locks it in place. So to who wants to do it, it's pretty easy. I don't know why I'm struggling, but it's in. So just gonna put the cover back on and I should be done with this. So there you go. There you go.